Hi guys, para bukas yan guys, birthday package yan guys. Yan o, may ano pa yan, tablecloth guys. Yan o, para bukas yan guys. 100 packs birthday. Birthday yan guys. Ayun o, diba? Yan ang entrance lang guys. Hey guys, birthday guys oh.
With boundless talent and charisma, our host seamlessly weaves between roles, ensuring an evening of entertainment like no other.
Birthday.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the host of all trades, Mr. A. Marcel.
Alright! Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to today's 60th birthday celebration. Pwede ba ako makahingi naman ang palakas sa palapakan ng mga. Alright, so, once again, a pleasant good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to welcome you to the 60th birthday of our very own Mr. Ray Valier. Also, once again, gusto ko yung energy natin from the very beginning to the last part of our program would be the highest. As I set the bar high, ladies and gentlemen, isang masigaw mong palakpakan na may kasama ang Sige, mukhang sinasamahan lang tayo ni Kuya with the palakpakan eh. Pero alam mo mas malakas ang energy natin nang wala yun. Sir, subukan nga natin ang walang sound effects. Tignan natin kung gaano sila kalakas humiyaw at pumalakpak in 3, 2, 1. Palakpakan na may kasamang hiyaw! Alright! I love that. So please be consistent with me until the end of our program. Allow me to introduce myself once again. This is A. Marcelo, the host of Both Trades, and I'll be your host for this afternoon celebration. Alright, I'm happy to be invited here by Kuya Ray. Of course, excited na tayong makita ang ating celebrant. Although nandito na siya. Pero why not give him the deserving grand entrance this afternoon? Okay ba sa inyo yun? Parang hindi. Okay ba sa inyo yun? Alright, so I'll be asking our celebrant to please place yourself on our art. Ayan.